What about after sales service and stuff like that, and spare parts availability and things like that?
Since the establishment of Stellantis in Malaysia, why this is established is basically to give the best service and after sales service for the Malaysians. What we have done now is on after sales. Number one is we now have a regional warehouse, which means that spare parts will be easy.
Okay, spare parts no more a problem then.
Spare parts not for Malaysia but for all the region will be for Malaysia. So imagine being in Malaysia, so you will have the fastest spare parts to be available for you in the service center. In terms of service centers, we have more and more service centers that should be able to cater your needs of your car. These cars, especially 408, is being assembled in Gurun, Kedah.
Right.
And Gurun is basically, in the Stellantis world, is one of the best in terms of quality. So you can rest assured that the quality of the car is top-notch. We have about 4 quality gates, starting from the line itself. Then after that, we have a quality check at the end of the line. We have a quality check after the line, meaning each cars, we have a customer audit team that will audit each car.
Okay.
To ensure that there's no issues getting the car out of the plant. And not just that, before we deliver the car, there's one more quality gate that we have to check. So with all these 4 gates, you should be able to receive a very good quality car from us.
For me, it's just fantastic. I'm really enjoying it, and you don't have to worry about reliability and spare parts anymore. And also, from what I know, you have a 7-year warranty, right?
Yes, 7 years warranty.
Yes.
That is how confident we are in terms of quality of the car.
Right. That's real. Very reassuring, yeah. Hello everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this drive with me as much as I did, and you got to know a bit more about the 408 and how such a good car it is. Believe me, it's a car that's really worth buying. You won't regret it if you buy it. And I hope to drive this car 1 year at least now. I'm going to talk to Stellantis. Ciao.